Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to learn a very important English topic in a super easy way.
Yes, today we will learn future simple and future continuous.
Exactly. Many English learners get confused between these two tenses.
But don't worry, everyone.
Yes, we will learn everything step by step.
We will learn structure, helping verbs, and verb forms.
We will also learn positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions.
And we will practice daily life examples and spoken English examples.
We will also learn common mistakes and how to fix them.
So stay with us until the end because this lesson will help you speak English more confidently.
Let's begin.
I'm excited.
First, let's understand the basic idea.
Okay.
Future simple talks about a future action.
Something that will happen later?
Exactly.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I will call you tomorrow.
So the action happens in the future.
Correct.
What about future continuous?
Great question.
Thank you.
Future continuous talks about an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future.
Can you give an example?
Of course. I will be studying at 8 p.m.
Oh, so the action is in progress at that future time.
Exactly.
That already sounds easy.
Yes, it is very easy when you understand the idea.
Let's learn the structure.
Good idea.
What is the structure of future simple?
The structure is very easy. Subject plus will plus base verb.
Can you show some examples?
Sure. I will work.
Easy.
She will travel.
Very easy.
They will play football.
Nice.
We will watch a movie.
Simple and clear.
Now let's learn future continuous.
Let's do it.
The structure is subject plus will be plus verb ing.
Can you give examples?
Of course. I will be working.
Good.
She will be traveling.
Nice.
They will be playing football.
Very easy.
We will be watching a movie.
I can see the pattern now.
Excellent.
So future simple uses will plus verb,
Correct.
and future continuous uses will be plus verb ing.
Exactly.
Let's compare them.
Great idea. I will study tonight.
Future simple.
Correct. I will be studying at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Future continuous.
Exactly.
What is the difference?
Good question. I will study tonight means I plan to study.
Okay.
I will be studying tonight means during tonight the action will be in progress.
Ah, now I understand.
Wonderful.
Let's practice more.
Sure. I will cook dinner.
Future simple.
Correct. I will be cooking dinner at 7 p.m.
Future continuous.
Exactly.
Can we use time expressions?
Yes, very often.
Like what?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Next week.
Good.
Tonight.
Nice.
At 8 p.m. tomorrow.
That sounds common with future continuous.
Exactly.
Let's learn positive sentences first.
Great. Positive future simple sentence. I will visit my friend tomorrow.
Easy.
She will buy a new phone.
Good.
They will arrive soon.
Nice.
We will start the meeting tomorrow.
Very clear.
Now future continuous positive sentences.
I'm ready.
I will be visiting my friend tomorrow evening.
Good example.
She will be buying a new phone next month.
Nice.
They will be arriving at this time tomorrow.
Very helpful.
We will be starting the meeting at 10 a.m.
I like these examples.
Great.
Can I try one?
Of course.
I will be watch TV tonight.
Almost correct.
Oops.
After will be, we use verb ing.
So what is correct?
I will be watching TV tonight.
I will be watching TV tonight.
Perfect.
Many students make that mistake, right?
Yes, very often.
Good to know.
Now let's learn negative sentences.
Let's go.
Future simple negative structure. Subject plus will not plus verb.
Can we also say won't?
Absolutely.
Great.
I will not go.
Or I won't go.
Exactly. She won't come tomorrow.
Good.
They won't play today.
Easy.
We won't buy that car.
Very simple.
Now future continuous negative sentences.
Okay.
Subject plus will not be plus verb ing.
Examples, please.
I won't be working tomorrow.
Good.
She won't be traveling next week.
Nice.
They won't be studying at midnight.
Easy.
We won't be staying there tomorrow night.
Very clear.
Let's compare again.
Good idea.
I won't work tomorrow.
Future simple.
Correct. I won't be working at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Future continuous.
Exactly.
The second sentence gives a specific future time.
Excellent observation.
Thank you.
Now let's learn questions.
Many students need this.
Yes, future simple question structure. Will plus subject plus verb.
Examples?
Will you come tomorrow?
Easy.
Will she call you?
Good.
Will they join us?
Nice.
Will we win the game?
Very easy.
Now future continuous questions.
Let's learn them.
Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing.
Examples, please.
Will you be working tomorrow?
Good.
Will she be studying tonight?
Nice.
Will they be traveling next week?
Easy.
Will we be meeting the manager tomorrow?
Very clear.
Let's do a small speaking practice.
That sounds fun.
Everyone watching, please answer with Anna.
Yes, speak with me.
Will you watch a movie tonight?
Yes, I will watch a movie tonight.
Excellent.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Will you be watching a movie at 8 p.m. tonight?
Yes, I will be watching a movie at 8 p.m. tonight.
Now I can feel the difference.
That's the goal.
Future simple talks about a future action.
Correct.
Future continuous talks about an action happening at a future time.
Exactly right.
Let's practice more before we continue.
Great idea. Pause the video and make one future simple sentence.
Then make one future continuous sentence.
Comment your answers below.
We would love to read them.
And if this lesson is helping you, don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
And share this lesson with your friends.
We still have many important things to learn.
Yes, we will learn WH questions, daily conversations, common mistakes, spoken English examples, and more practice.
So, keep watching.
Let's continue learning.
Now, let's learn WH questions.
These are very important in daily English.
Absolutely.
What are WH questions?
They are questions that begin with words like what, where, when, why, who, and how.
Great.
Let's start with future simple.
Okay.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will visit my grandmother.
Excellent.
Next one.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel.
Good.
Another one.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive tomorrow morning.
Perfect.
One more.
Why will she leave early?
She will leave early because she has a meeting.
Excellent.
Now future continuous?
Yes. What will you be doing at 8 p.m.?
I will be studying English.
Great.
Next one.
Where will they be staying next week?
They will be staying in Linden.
Very good.
Another example.
Who will be working with you tomorrow?
My friend will be working with me.
Excellent.
One more.
Why will you be waiting there?
I will be waiting there for my brother.
Perfect.
These questions are very useful.
Yes, they are common in spoken English.
Can we practice a short conversation?
Of course.
What will you do after this lesson?
I will drink some coffee.
Nice. What will you be doing tonight?
I will be watching a movie.
Great answer. Where will you go this weekend?
I will go to the beach.
Sounds fun. Where will you be staying?
I will be staying at my cousin's house.
Excellent. Now I can hear the difference clearly.
That is wonderful.
Can you explain the difference one more time?
Sure. Future simple focuses on the future action.
Okay.
Future continuous focuses on the action in progress at a future time.
That makes sense.
Let's see more examples.
I'm ready.
I will call you tonight.
Future simple.
Correct. I will be calling you around 8 p.m.
Future continuous.
Exactly. She will read the book.
Future simple.
Correct. She will be reading the book this evening.
Future continuous.
Excellent.
Let's talk about daily life examples.
Great idea. I will clean my room tomorrow.
Future simple.
I will be cleaning my room at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Future continuous.
She will cook dinner tonight.
Future simple.
She will be cooking dinner at 7 p.m.
Future continuous.
They will play football tomorrow.
Future simple.
They will be playing football after school.
Future continuous.
Very good.
Can we learn some spoken English examples?
Absolutely. I'll call you later.
Very common.
I'll help you.
Very useful.
Don't worry, I'll be there.
I hear that often.
At this time tomorrow, I'll be flying to Dubai.
Nice spoken English example.
This evening, I'll be working from home.
Another great example.
Next week, we'll be staying with our friends.
Very natural.
Now let's look at common mistakes.
Many students need this part.
Yes, they do.
I will be go tomorrow.
That is incorrect.
What is the correct sentence?
I will go tomorrow.
Because future simple uses will plus base verb.
Exactly.
Another mistake?
Go ahead.
I will be go shopping at 6 p.m.
Almost correct.
What should I say?
I will be going shopping at 6 p.m.
Because we need verb ing.
Exactly.
Another mistake?
Let's hear it.
Will be you working tomorrow?
That is incorrect.
What is correct?
Will you be working tomorrow?
Ah, will comes first.
Exactly.
One more.
Sure.
She will be study tonight.
Incorrect.
Correct version?
She will be studying tonight.
Very easy.
Yes.
Many students forget the ing form.
That is a very common mistake.
Let's do a small quiz.
Great idea.
Everyone watching, answer before speaker 1 explains.
Question number 1.
I blank call you tomorrow.
What is the answer?
Will.
Correct.
Question number 2.
I will be blank at 9 p.m.
What is the answer?
Working.
Exactly.
Question number 3.
Will she blank tomorrow?
Call.
Correct.
Question number 4.
Will they be blank football?
Playing.
Excellent.
Great job, everyone.
Let's do another mini practice.
I will travel next month.
Future simple.
Correct. I will be traveling next month.
Future continuous.
Exactly. We will meet the manager.
Future simple.
Good. We will be meeting the manager at 3 p.m.
Future continuous.
Perfect.
I think the viewers are understanding it now.
I think so too.
Can you give a memory trick?
Of course.
I love memory tricks.
Think about one simple question.
Which question?
Are you talking about a future action?
Okay.
Then use future simple.
Easy.
Are you talking about an action happening at a future time?
Then use future continuous.
Exactly.
That is very helpful.
Let's do some real-life situations.
Sounds fun.
Your friend calls you.
Okay.
He asks, "What will you do tomorrow?"
I will visit my aunt.
Perfect. Then he asks, "What will you be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow?"
I will be visiting my aunt at that time.
Excellent.
Now I can feel the difference naturally.
That is the best way to learn.
Can we do another situation?
Sure. Your teacher asks, "Will you come to class tomorrow?"
Yes, I will come to class tomorrow.
Good. Then your teacher asks, "Will you be studying before class?"
Yes, I will be studying before class.
Excellent.
This is becoming easy.
Exactly.
English becomes easier when we practice.
Very true.
Let's do a quick revision.
Great idea.
Future simple structure.
Subject plus will plus base verb.
Example,
I will work tomorrow.
future continuous structure.
Subject plus will be plus verb ing.
Example,
I will be working tomorrow evening.
future simple talks about.
A future action.
Future continuous talks about.
An action in progress at a future time.
Wonderful.
And remember, practice is the key.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Every mistake helps you learn.
Speak English every day.
Make your own examples.
Write sentences in your notebook.
Practice with your friends.
And practice with us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really appreciate every one of you.
We hope this lesson helped you understand future simple and future continuous clearly.
And we hope you feel more confident now.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Don't forget to like this video.
Leave a comment with your own future simple and future continuous sentences.
And share this lesson with your friends and family.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
Your English can improve every day.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.